guys, in this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of the Suzuki Bergman Street 125. In this video I'll try to cover most of the things for you guys. Still, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below. Earlier I have already reviewed the Activa 125 BS6 and I have already given you guys a detailed walk around of the TVS Jupiter as well. So you can basically check out that videos as well. And if you like watching videos in Hindi language, you can basically also check out our Hindi YouTube channel, which is Autorevs Hindi. All the links are given in the description box below. Now, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Autorevs back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of this scooter, which is the Suzuki Bergman Street. Now this is a 2020 model. It gets a 124cc BS6 petrol engine and this scooter is provided to me from Sneha Motors, Navi Mumbai. So if you are interested in buying a Suzuki Bergman Street, you can basically contact them. Contact details are given in the description box below. And as you can see, this is how the scooter actually looks like from the outside, from the exterior profiles. Let me quickly start showing you guys from the front end of the scooter. So this is how the front end of the Suzuki Bergman Street looks like. It definitely looks quite sharp and attractive from the front as well. Here, as you can see, this is the headlamp setup which you get. This is the LED headlamp which you get. This is the LED DRLs which you get right over here. You also do get your Suzuki badge right in the center right over here. Here you get a FI sticker which tells you that it gets a fuel injected petrol engine. Here you also do get a visor, which is not a very big one as such, and here you also do get a provision for your number plate as well. Here, as you can see, those are the indicators which you get. Those are halogen bulbs provided right over here. And here, as you can see, here you also do get a reflector on the sides. Now guys, this particular color is called as the metallic matte black color. And talking about the suspension setup, at the front you actually get a telescopic front suspension. Meanwhile, at the rear you actually get 3-step adjustable suspension. So that is about the suspension, and this is exactly how the scooter looks like from the exterior profiles. Definitely in terms of design, they have tried to make it look much more aerodynamic and sharp as well. Those elements, as you can see, they definitely improve the aerodynamic efficiency. And on the sides, as you can see, they have actually provided a sticker of combi brakes. You also do get this reflector. Talking about the tire profile, before tire profile, as you can see, at the front you actually get this disc brake, and on the rear you actually get drum brake. And the tire profile is 90-90-12. You get 12 inches alloy wheels at the front. And here, talking about the footboard area, as you can see, there is decent amount of space on the footboard area, and they have actually provided a provision where you can stretch your feet and ride the scooter as well. This is your main stand and your side stand provided right over here, and this is the foot peg. Obviously the quality of the foot peg is actually quite nice, I would say. Now let me quickly show you guys the engine of the scooter. So this is the BS6 engine which you get. It is a 124cc unit. It produces around 8.7 PS of power and 10 Newton meters of torque. So this is the engine which you get in the 2020 model. And as I mentioned earlier, you get drum brakes at the rear, and the tire profile is 90-110. And the suspension at the rear is 3-step adjustable suspension. On the sides here you also do get this Bergman badge on the sides, and as you can see, this sharp element is provided on the side as well. Talking about the grab handle, it is quite chunky, I would say. And this is the rear profile of the scooter. Here, as you can see, at the center they have provided a Suzuki sticker, and this is the tail lamp setup which you get. This is the LED tail lamp which you get, and this is obviously your indicator, which is a halogen bulb. From each and every side of view, they have actually tried to make it look aerodynamic and sharp. It does not look conventional at all. And here you also get this reflector provided. Now let me quickly show you guys the exhaust. On the exhaust as well, they have actually provided this cover, and this is the sharp element which you get on the exhaust as well. So the attention to detail is really very good. They have actually paid a lot of attention on the design of the scooter, and this is how it looks from the side profile. It definitely looks quite different. Here you get this Bergman Street badge as well on the sides. On the sides here you have this glossy treatment which adds to the visual appeal of the scooter. You also do get two stickers, BS6 and SEP sticker right over here, which will tell you that it gets a BS6 petrol engine and Suzuki Eco Performance technology, which will help you extract the best mileage out of your scooter. So this is how the scooter looks like from the side profile. Now let me quickly show you guys the features which you get. Before the features, the seat is not very soft, at the same time it is not very hard as well, and this is how the handlebar actually looks like right over here. So here you actually get this storage space where you can probably keep your coins, and you also get this key area. By turning it towards your left, you can actually open the boot space as well, and you also have this very good feature that you can actually completely close the key slot, so that it provides you complete safety and protection against theft. Here in the middle you also do get this hook where you can probably hang your grocery bags, and here you also do get this storage space which is quite nice in terms of size, I would say. Here as you can see there is pretty good amount of space in here, and you also do get this 12-volt charging point, so you can basically keep your mobile phone right over here, and you can also charge your mobile phone, which is again a very practical storage space which you get right over here, which is quite helpful, I would say. Now let's quickly have a look on the handlebar of this particular scooter. So here as you can see, this is how it looks like. Here you actually get this button. This is the engine kill switch which you get right over here, which is again a very nice thing. Here like I showed you before, you have a storage space provided. Here you get this button for your pass light switch, high beam, low beam as well. This is your indicator provided right over here. This is your horn. The horn actually is not very loud as such. Here you have this glossy treatment provided with Suzuki logo. Here also you have this glossy treatment provided which adds to the visual appeal. And this is the instrument cluster which you get. It is a all digital unit which you get. Let me quickly turn it on and show it to you guys again. So this is the digital unit which you get right over here. Here you have some lights for your indication, your check engine light, this your set and ADI button provided. And this is the visor which you get right over here. In the instrument cluster it will actually show you a lot of information. For example, it will show you your digital speedometer, your odometer reading, trip A, trip B time, as well as your fuel gauge. So here by pressing on the set button you can actually toggle through a lot of information. So it will show your trip A odometer reading as well. So this is all the information which you can see in the instrument cluster of the Bergman Street. And here you also have this button. By pressing it, by holding it for a while, you can actually reset your trip. So as you can see, it goes to 0 when you long press the button. So these are all the features which you get in the Bergman Street. Now let me show you the underseat storage which you get. So here as you can see, this is the amount of space which you get in the boot, or rather the underseat storage. It is 21.5 liters to be precise. And here you also do get your first aid kit and tool kit provided as well. And here as you can see, this is your fuel filler lid. So you don't really get an external fuel filler lid. You have to actually open the seat in order to access the fuel filler lid. And this is the amount of space which you get right over here. You can easily fit in a smaller size helmet. So that is the amount of space which you get under the seat of the Bergman Street. Now let me put the seat back again. So there it goes. And definitely in terms of looks and design, Suzuki has done a great job. As you can see, the scooter definitely does not really look conventional. It looks quite a lot stylish and attractive from each and every side. And here you get this sticker. Now let me quickly show you guys the footboard area. So here as you can see, this is the amount of space which you get on the footboard area. It is decent enough, but the good thing is the fact that here you can actually stretch your feet and ride the scooter, which definitely provides you good amount of space in order to comfortably ride the scooter. So this is how the scooter looks like from the side profiles. Now let me really show you guys the indicators which you get at the rear. So these are the halogen indicators which you get right over here. The tail lamp which you get is an LED unit. The indicator which you get is a halogen bulb provided right over here. And this is the exhaust tip which you get. On the exhaust cover as well, they have provided this glossy treatment. So the design of the scooter is definitely quite a lot appealing, I would say. And I think I have shown you guys the foot pegs earlier as well. The quality of the foot pegs is quite good, I would say. So these are the foot pegs which you get right over here. So guys, yeah, that's about it. This was a quick walk around from my side. I hope you guys like the video. Still, if you have any questions related to same or the other, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try to answer most of your doubts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.